Hello friends and welcome to my channel and to a new episode tribute to Dada. On this day, a true legend was born, that is on 8th of July. A man who has updated himself, transformed himself and have countless number of achievements. The man is none other than Saurabh Ganguly. His 1992 ODI debut was not at all a successful one, rather brought more controversy. 4 years later, the man gave a challenging answer to the world by scoring a debut century at the Lords. He has started writing history. As his game, he updated himself from bachelor to married. Yes, he got married to his childhood friend and neighbor, Donna. And a new beginning. A super cricketing mind has made his way through. A journey which has always inspired millions of people around the globe. He is known by different names. Sometimes Maharaja, sometimes Dada, and Saurabh Ganguly. The legend gave a quick start to his career, achieving numerous numbers of milestones. Consecutive man of the matches, fastest run scorer at that point of time in the world cricket, and what more. Ganguly smashed 183 runs in a World Cup match versus Sri Lanka and a world record partnership with Rahul Dravid of 318 runs. When everything went in a wrong direction, the Indian cricket was suffering from match fixing and all. Sachin Tendulkar left captainship. This man, Saurabh Ganguly, was given the charge. Rest is history. 2001 famous Kolkata win versus Australia redefined the Indian team. Who can even forget that moment? 2002 NatWest series couldn't have been better when the leader was leading from the front. India won the final in the Lords. And who can even forget this historic moment of Saurabh Ganguly waving his shirt at the Lord's balcony? India started winning series abroad and at home too. A new team with a full of youngsters. Indian team was rebuilt. Self-confidence was boosted. The The team, under his leadership, started dominating the world cricket. In 2002, India was the joint winner of Champions Trophy along with Sri Lanka under this legend's captainship. He also holds the record to score fastest 3 centuries in ICC Champions Trophy. This man led India to the 2003 ICC World Cup final, which India lost to Australia. The year 2004, India dominated Pakistan in Pakistan under his leadership. Then, India got the Gavaskar Border Trophy series drawn in Australia. This man made the best of the Indian cricket.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I take this opportunity to congratulate both Australia and my team for the wonderful series that we played of outstanding cricket. A special thank you to my boys. It's been a pleasure to not only leading them in the series the way they played.
He created a moment of terror in the world cricket that India can win in any part of the world and do not judge us. 2005, the biggest mistake. The controversial character arrives and destroys India's hope to win the 2007 World Cup. He started off by sacking the Indian captain Saurav Ganguly. Ganguly is dropped. Greg Chappell destroyed the Indian cricket to some extent. This advertise made every Dada fan emotional. In 2006, Ganguly returns and plays a match-saving innings of 51 runs when all the other team members were sent back to the dressing room versus South Africa. The revenge-taking attitude of Ganguly didn't change and a message was sent to the world: don't mess with him. And it even was shared to Stuart Broad. hitting a 6 off his ball. In 2007, Ganguly made his first double ton and highest score of 239 versus Pakistan and creates history again. 2008, in a press conference, he informed about his retirement from international cricket versus Australia, and this will be his last series. In this series too, he scored a century and left the field with a winning note and winning hearts of his fans. He continued to play IPL for the next few years for Kolkata Knight Riders, Pune Warriors, India, and finally bid goodbye to all forms of cricket in 2000. Michael Clarke shares the Australian thinking about Saurav and his team. The Bengali rules the world.
What he taught me from a very young age is that Sourav Ganguly made it very clear to, as Sachin said, the team around the world, that he wasn't going to be bullied. He wasn't going to accept that anybody was going to tell him what to do. And, you know, I say now, I look at a lot of the young players, I look at Rohit, I look at Virat, I look at a lot of these young guys currently playing for India, and I think they've got that same attitude. And I've said it openly, I think Sourav deserves a lot of credit for that. The way he was going to take a stand and was going to make sure that that Indian team was going to play their natural game no matter who they were going to play against, made it on the field. Sourav had a different style, but he was very clear that this is my turn, this is how we're going to play, and even though Australia might be the best team in the world, we're not going to back away from you. So, yeah, look, it was. I remember Ricky telling us that, like I say, I can't remember if Steve or Ricky was captain at the time, they tossed the coin, Sourav said quickly, head, tail, picked up the coin, said, ball bat, thank you very much. Before Ricky or Steve Waugh could even think what had happened, India's batting, they probably made 500 and Australia.
Saurav becomes Cricket Association of Bengal's president in 2014 and was re-elected in 2019. He becomes the BCCI president and the achievement continues. Let's have a look.
So it's an honor that I've been asked to take this role by the members when it's a new start for the BCCI. Coincidentally, fortunately or unfortunately, even when I became captain, it was a similar sort of a situation when I captained India for 6 years. And this is a similar sort of situation where, you know, things need to be brought back in place, reforms need to be done, you know, there's huge amounts of money to be paid to state associations, so it's a completely new start. So from that point of view, I find myself very fortunate to be in a position where I can make a change, and it's a challenge. I'll do it the way I know, I'll do it the way which I feel is best for BCCI, with no compromise on credibility, corruption free, and same for all. And that's the way I led India, and that's the way I will take forward this organization with whatever time I have.
Let's have a look at his scorecard and as a player. If you are a true Ganguly fan, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video.